Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here, and welcome to the official video for Creaite. Creaite is the best and first artificially intelligent web app to hit JVZOO that will write perfectly readable content for you in any major niche in under 90 seconds. And when you have the power to generate quality, engaging content in record time, you're able to get more traffic, make more profit, and dominate your niche without ever writing a single word of content yourself ever again. Plus, you'll be able to use Creaite to get more traffic and make more money for your own sites and for your client sites as well. I know this sounds a little too unbelievable, so let's go ahead and jump right into the demo video so I can show you how easy we've made it to get high quality content written for you with our artificially intelligent software. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into this demo video so I can show you exactly how Creaite is going to be able to write high engaging, quality, unique content for you in under 90 seconds in 50 of the hottest niches out there. Okay, so I'm here on the articles tab already, and literally all you have to do is come in here, hit this plus sign here on the right, and fill out these options here. That is literally all you have to do, and Creaite takes it from there. Is literally the most done for you content creation platform out there that is written by real artificial intelligence. This is not fake artificial intelligence. This is not buzzwords. This is not marketing lingo. This is real artificial intelligence, and I'm going to show you right here in this demo video. So I'm going to go ahead and select the health niche. I'm going to go ahead and select back pain. I'm going to go ahead and skip these options since those are part of our upgrade, and I will cover what the upgrades are towards the end of this video. But from here, all you have to do from this point forward is provide Creaite with a starting prompt. And what the starting prompt is literally just one sentence around the niche that you just selected so that it knows what to create the content around. And this one sentence can literally come from anywhere. It can come from a third-party site, it can come from Wikipedia, it can come from a article that you just wrote, it can come from your client supplies the one sentence. It can come from absolutely anywhere. What I'm going to do is go ahead and come to this option here. I went ahead and Googled low back pain, came to this option here, and let me go ahead and close this out. I'm going to go ahead and choose this sentence right here. Most acute low back pain results from injury to the muscles, ligaments, joints, or discs. I'm going to go ahead and take that, put that there, hit start. And from this point forward, Creaite is going to go out there and write a completely unique article for me in about 60 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this video and then come back to it once it is complete. Alright, so this article has completed, and it took about 40 seconds for it to complete. So let's go ahead and take a look at how it came out. Okay, and what Creaite did to begin was to generate a title for us as well. So the title is what to do when you feel pain in your lower back. And here is the initial sentence that we provided, and we do highlight that for you because for the most part we understand that many of our users are going to do exactly what I just did, which is take the sentence from a third-party site and use that as your prompt. So we do want to ensure that you at the very least rewrite that a little bit so that it is unique, because you did take that, or I did take this from a third-party site, and I don't want to get in trouble for actually taking, well, even if it's just one sentence, from some other site. But if you see here, it went from this point forward as all artificial intelligence, and Creaite wrote all of this based on this prompt. And we'll read it out loud here. If you feel pain only on one side of your back, then it may either be an innervation or nerve root irritation. The nerve root irritation may occur as a result of injury to a disc, a joint, a muscle, or any combination of the 5 elements. Your spinal cord is made up of 33 pairs of bones. The first bone is the cervical joint. Between each vertebrae in the spinal column there is a disc. The joint has a smooth surface which helps the disc glide across each other. So you can see this is an extremely high quality article, and not just that, but it broke it up into paragraphs for us as well. So I'm not going to read the whole thing. We're also going to have full articles posted below this video that you can read at your own discretion and read it all at your own time. But you can see some of this gets pretty long, so I don't want to waste too much time reading it. But you can see just what I wrote reads extremely well. Okay, and this is you are not able to tell whether this was written by artificial intelligence or by a human. And one thing that I'm sure you're gonna wonder is if this is gonna pass a CopyScape test. So let's go ahead and head over to CopyScape, paste this in there, run that search. And you can see here no results found for you, and there was 309 unique words that were written for us, and you can see a very high quality article as well. So let me close this one out and let me show you something else as well. Let me show you this one here that's all around the email marketing niche. All right, this is the sentence that I provided. Email marketing is one of the most profitable ways to make money online. And I actually wrote that one since it was a simple sentence to write. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this, bring it over to CopyScape, paste that in there, run a premium search, and you can see no results found again. All right, so Creaite wrote a perfectly unique article for me in the email copywriting, in the email marketing niche as well. And you can read just a few lines from it. You need to be able to write a subject line, a headline, and body copy to get prospects to open the email, click through to your link, and buy your product. And yes, Creaite also added perfect grammar in here. She added all the commas and all of that as well. And it formatted all of this for me as well. So let me go ahead and close that out and show you now a few of what the upgrade features are. But you can see there, Creaite is very simple to use. It's as easy and as done for you as it gets, and it truly is the best and most powerful artificially intelligent content creation system that you can get access to. So let me just quickly walk you through what some of these upgrades are, and then you can go ahead and create your account and get content start being written for you as well. So upgrade number one is actually going to be for you to be able to get credits on a monthly basis so that you can have Creaite in your arsenal every single month. All right, and you're also going to be locking in your discounted rate, okay, because we are running a huge discount over the next 5 to 6 days. But also part of upgrade number one is the ability to have all of our niches unlocked that we're going to be adding over the next 6 to 12 months. Okay, to start, you do get 25 niches, but also we decided to double that as a special bonus. So you're going to get a complete, you're going to get 50 complete niches with your main purchase. But if you purchase upgrade number one, you're going to unlock about an additional 20 to 30 niches. Plus, over the next 6 to 12 months, we're going to be adding an additional 400 niches or so, okay? So you're going to be able to unlock that for upgrade number one. Upgrade number two is a 3-part offer, okay? And one of those parts is to unlock our Q&A writer. Now, our Q&A writer gives you a very powerful angle to content creation, which is the ability to tap into your niche's most pressing questions, their most pressing concerns, and turn Creaite into pretty much your own personal ATM machine by answering those questions that your niche has, okay? And I'm sure you've heard it many times that the best way to make money in any niche is to step into that niche's shoes, and that's what this option allows you to do. It allows you to have content written, or pretty much answers written for you based on your niche's most pressing questions, okay? And you can actually have multiple questions in here so that you can input consequential questions and pretty much put together a very powerful article that addresses all of your niche's main questions, main concerns, and pretty much their main problems. All right, so that is part one of upgrade number two. Part two of upgrade number two is the ability for you to come in here and have content written for you in 12 different languages. So you're going to have Chinese, Dutch, German, English, French, Italian, Japanese, Polish, Portuguese European, Portuguese Brazilian, Spanish, and Russian. So if you want to open up your business to a global level, then you're going to want to pick up upgrade number 2, especially if you're going to be providing content creation services to clients and they're in different languages. You're going to be able to create engaging content in 12 total different languages. And then part 3 of upgrade number 2 is the ability to have 5 articles written for you at the same time. Okay, we're calling this our hyperwriter feature. So that is all 3 parts of upgrade number 2. And then upgrade number 3 is going to be the ability to unlock our Connect plugin. Now our Connect plugin is going to allow you to go from having Create write your content to having Create publish your content directly to your WordPress sites. So we went ahead and put together our own plugin that you install on your sites, and you're going to be able to not only have Create write your content, but have Create publish your content, all without ever having to leave our dashboard. Okay, but on top of that, we're throwing in 2 very powerful bonuses to that, which is bonus number 1, you're going to get agency access as well, your agency license, which is going to allow you to use our plugin for your client sites as well. But on top of that, you're going to get our unlimited sites license so that you can use it on all your sites and all of your client sites as well. So 2 very valuable bonuses that you're getting there on top of our Connect plugin. So that's upgrade number 3. And upgrade number 4, which is the final upgrade, is to get white label rights to our platform. Okay, and not just our platform, but also to the plugin. Okay, because we understand that Create is a very powerful platform, and you're going to most likely want to keep it as your own personal secret for being able to get high engaging content written for you by artificial intelligence. We understand that you want to keep that to your in your own arsenal. So what we've done is, especially if you're using this on your client sites, you're going to be able to come in here and not only rebrand the plugin, okay, before you install it on your client site, and you're gonna be able to add your own website, your own description, your own name, whatever it may be, and then that's what's going to show up on your client sites, so that they never truly know that Create is behind the platform. Now, when it comes to your folders as well, let's say this is one of my clients' folders. When I come here to share, okay, I'm going to be able to customize the branding of my share folders so that when I deliver the work to my clients, it's going to show your domain, it's going to show your logo, and it's going to conceal the fact that you are using Create to write content for your clients. Okay, so that is upgrade number 4, and that is it. That's all that we have to offer for Create. Again, this is the most powerful artificially intelligent and the first artificially intelligent content creation platform to hit JVZOO. So make sure you pick this up. We have some very limited time bonuses that we're going to be offering during this launch as well. So make sure you pick this up now.